Hello. So, how would you like to find out about sending messages with light and sound? This book is by Jennifer Boothroyd. So, let's head on over here to the book and see what we've got. What are messages? Messages give us information. We send messages over distance. There are many ways to send messages. If you're on the highway, sometimes you see these things. You learn from those messages. Light and sound help us send messages. Sending messages with light. Big lights can send messages. So can small lights. So this big light is coming from the lighthouse for the boats, and this small light tells you up and down on the elevator. Lights can tell people where to go. Traffic lights. Green means go. Yellow means slow down. Red means, that's right, stop. Lights can warn of danger. When you see this on the walking sign, that means don't go anywhere. There's danger. Cars are coming. Sending messages with sound. Loud sounds can send messages. See the bell? You hear them sometimes in the summer, in the winter too probably, but a lot of churches have bells and they swing back and forth and they go bing, bong. You hear them. Quiet messages, quiet sounds send messages too. An alarm clock rings. It's time to get up. We share news by talking. We listen to the radio. We hear voices from far away. Sirens warn people of danger. Sending messages with light and sound. Some messages use both light and sound. A train crossing has ringing bells and flashing lights. So these lights and sounds mean that a train is coming. Fire trucks have flashing lights. They have loud sirens too. People can hear and see messages on cell phones. What messages can you send with light and sound? Here's your glossary. Alarm clock, information, messages, sirens. Well, that's the end of our book. Did you learn anything? I think you did. I enjoyed this book. I hope you did too. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.